Hello guys, welcome to Market Hours. So in this video I am going to talk about Bharti Airtel. So I think on 5th of March I have suggested this stock after forming this red candle, which is the candle was formed on 4th of March. So I made a video on this particular stock on I think Saturday or Sunday, 5th or 6th. So then after it has given a very good I think I have given a stop loss below this wick and so target 1:1. So then after the Bharti Airtel has given a very good returns within 3 days, has given around 4% return. So if you have took up this trade, you can hold on to until it reaches the upper trend line, or else you can book the profit because it has already given 1:1.5 ratio, risk reward ratio. So I will prefer to hold the stock until it touches 710 mark, because at this level it took support in the previous trading sessions. It may face resistance, so I will book profit at 710. So I'll also trail my stop loss because the market conditions are not really good. So I'll bring my stop loss from 640 to my entry point, so that in case if the market get reversed, I'll come up with zero loss, zero profit. So tomorrow I'll be posting 2 videos. I'll suggest 2 stocks. So based on pure price action or this triangle and symmetrical patterns, so I'll be going to suggest 2 stocks tomorrow. So keep watching Market Hours. Please subscribe to my channel to get regular videos on swing trading. Thank you for watching.